Hi Charmers, welcome to Jazz Journey. My name is Jasmine and thank you for selecting this video. On this video, I'm going to concentrate all for the month of September, and we already have sneak peeks for all three boxes. And also I want to include one of those is sharing the choice item, and as you know, that's coming up in a few days, so I really don't want you guys to miss out on that. You can follow me on BoxySneak. That's where I like to put all my previews, and as soon as that window open for, let's say, for add-ons, in this case it's going to be for Boxy pop-up, that's going to open on Monday. Also, the choice for the BoxyLuxe or for the base box for early access is going to open on Monday, and that's what I would let you know right away once that's open. So let's go ahead and get started with so many great spoilers happening for the month of September. So far we know that the base box for the month of September is going to be worth up to $200, and that is good to know because, as you know, the average value should be $120, and as you know, you get to choose one item. And this is a base box that costs $25. So let's go ahead and see what's coming on this box. And guys, I am so excited. We get to finally get an item from Huda Beauty. And this one's called Matte and Metal. It's a melted shadows. And as you see, it's dual. It has two different applicators. One is pretty thin and it has that nice shimmer. And then it has the other one that is going to make it really easy for you to apply it on your eyelids. And this is a dual-ended liquid shadow combining a rich velvety matte formula on one side, and on the other it's a sparkly to the other side. So as you know, it's going to be different colors, different variations most likely. And here you see the CEO revealing that sneak peek. So I'm excited for this product. The next product is the palette, and this is from Hip Dot. I don't recall seeing this brand at all from Boxycharm, but this palette is calling me because I love anything that's purple. It's funny because most of the colors that I put are more warm tones, but this palette is so pretty. I went to their website, to Hip Dot, to check out this palette, and there's a video there of showing you how to use or to create an eye look, and I love that eye look just using this palette. Very, very pretty. So this is a second sneak peek. I'm not sure this is going to be a choice item, but so far he did show us 3 sneak peeks for September for the base box. And look at the pigmentation, look at those shades. Look at the colors on the packaging. Loving this palette. The next palette is another palette which I am so excited for, Alamar Cosmetics. I remember the first palette we got from her. It was one of my go-to. I love it. The only sad thing is that it did not include a mirror, but this one does include a mirror, and I'm loving this palette because it's also including some purple shades there. And this one is called Spanglish. I try to check to see if it's on the website, and it's not yet, so hopefully this picture here shows you how pretty it is even on the front. And here you guys get to see all 3 products that are going to be included in the base box for the month of September. And as you see, it's going to be worth up to $200. So like I said, I'm not sure this is going to be a choice item, but if it is, it's going to be really hard to choose between any of these 3. So now let's go ahead and move on to September, the premium box. As you know, this one is a little bit more. It's $35. The average value should be over $175, and you will be getting 6 to 7 full-size items, and you also get to choose one item. The good thing is that we know what that choice items are, and that's going to be the sneak peek that I'm going to reveal to you guys on this video. I'm excited that even though the value average is $175, it is letting us know that the box for September is meant to be worth up to $220. So let's go ahead and check out that first sneak peek, which is that choice item. This is Marc Jacobs Youthquake. I have mentioned this in previous videos, but now it's confirmed that it's a choice item for the premium box. And here I'm going to share little information because all these 3 products, I don't know which one to choose from. Maybe you are just like me, you don't know which one you want to pick. And giving you this information, what you should know about the product, might make it a lot easier for you to make your choice. Here you will see that that choice opens on this Thursday, August 13. We don't know the time yet, and that's why I like to let you know on my Instagram account once that is open. So this is a moisturizer that's going to be perfect to moisturize and to retexture, for you to get retexturing results. It's going to smooth away rough texture, and it's going to reveal a fresh surface that's ready to receive major moisture. So if this is something you need in your skin, then this will be it. One thing that I do like from this product is that there's a hydrating formula with full body gel cream texture, and it's going to be creamy tropical scent that's going to melt into your skin. One thing to know that this is a powerful pineapple enzyme, and it's encapsulated for hydration, for retexturing, and for a glowing, so that way you are ready to apply your makeup. So if this is something you're looking for, then this might be it. I know if you go to the Sephora website, there's 3 different sizes. They have the trial size, which I believe that's not the one we're going to be getting. The standard one, I believe, is 1.7 ounce, and the other one is the really big container, which is about 3 ounce. I believe it's 3 ounce, so I'm guessing it's going to be the standard size that you're going to be getting from Boxycharm. So that one I cannot confirm. I've been trying to look at it to see if it shows the size of it, but I feel based on the box that is going to be that standard size. The other second choice item you have is also from Marc Jacobs, which I am loving that we're getting Marc Jacobs as a choice item on the premium box for the month of September. This is a little different. We're going from pineapple to coconut, and this is a lightweight coconut infused gel. This is a gel highlighter that can be applied directly to your skin or added into your foundation or your primer to give you that nice glow. And something you need to know, this is not just any type of highlighter. This is inspired by Marc Jacobs' love of coconut water and a radiant complexion. This product features 5 forms of coconut to hydrate and nourish your skin. So this is crazy that it has 5 different forms of coconut. So it has the coconut alkaline, which is going to help longer wear, deeply hydrate with the coconut milk. The coconut water is going to provide refreshing electrolytes. And then we have coconut polysaccharides to help condition, and coconut fragrance to be lightly scented. So this does not look like any highlighter, so this will be your second choice. Well, now let's move on to the third choice, and this one is from Ole Henriksen. I'm glad that we're going to be seeing this brand once again. This one I wanted to do more research because I have never heard of this one, and this one is called Fat Glow Facial. It has PHAs and Nordic birch sap. So it's an age fighting face mask that's going to work like a facial. Loving that right there. It's like having your own little spa at home with potent PHAs. PHAs, I believe, is a little bit lighter than AHAs, so that means that it could work with even, I'm pretty sure, with sensitive skin. That's what I've seen so far for the PHAs. And Nordic birch sap to exfoliate, illuminate, and brighten your skin. It says that this is good for normal, dry combination, and oily skin, meaning everybody. And if you have any type of skin concerns like dark spots, fine lines and wrinkles, and pores and dryness, then this will be that face mask you should get. So guys, now you get to see all 3 products here. You get to see Marc Jacobs, and at least you get to mix and match in the sense that there is skincare but also makeup if you're more into makeup and you don't need these type of skincare. But guys, for me, it's very hard for me to choose. I still don't know which one I'm going to get, and I'm so excited for the premium box. So now let's move on to BoxyLuxe. As you know, BoxyLuxe, it's an upgrade from the base box, and we only get this 4 times in a year. And the next one coming up will be in September. The last one for this year will be in December. So if you have upgraded to the Luxe, that means that in September, you're going to be getting this box, and you're not going to get the base box for the month of September. And that means that you're going to be selecting 2 choice items, up to 2 choice items for BoxyLuxe for the month of September. We don't know what those choice items are, but you know that's coming up pretty soon. And BoxyLuxe is $49.99, and you will get from 8 to 9 full-size items. So far, I am so excited for BoxyLuxe because later on I'm going to let you guys know what is worth up to for this September box. So let's go ahead and check out the first variation. The first variation, it has not been confirmed if it's going to be a choice item, but if it is, I'm going to continue doing my research because I want to be prepared if I have to choose between one of these 3 products. The first one is from Pharmacy. This is Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream with Acerola Cherry. The second one is Kate Somerville Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. So it's a treatment to help you exfoliate your skin. And as you know, Kate Somerville is perfect for your skincare. And I read so many great things, especially for sensitive skin. And the last one is Viral. This is Tomato Serum. And this one, as you see the values of each, it does have a pretty big gap between 45 and 150. But see, if what you're looking for is more of vitamin C for your eyes, if you need more like a good exfoliating treatment, and or the tomato serum. So as you know, this is coming up soon, and if this is going to be a choice, I want to be prepared before making my selection. So another thing I want to mention is that I'm expecting, but this is not confirmed, for Fenty Beauty to be added in the BoxyLuxe. There was a chat, and it was in the Spanish Facebook page, and the CEO did mention to wait for Fenty on BoxyLuxe. I'm like, did I hear that right? So that's what I'm saying. It's not confirmed. He did not say which item it was going to be. So that's why I'm putting it out there, because we did see this product previously, about a week or two back. And once he mentioned that, I'm like, I put these two together, and I wanted to share with you in case we are expecting this item. What this item is, this is from Fenty Beauty, and this is a kilowatt foil freestyle highlighter, and it's a weightless long wear cream powder hybrid highlighter. It's in solo, or you could use it as dual, depending which one you get. With the hyper metallic finish, the colors are so cute, and you will see the range of shades designed for all skin types. So here you get to see, guys, look at these colors. They're so pretty. Like I said, it's not confirmed, but I feel like we should be in the lookout for September to get one of these items from Fenty Beauty. And as you see, I was going to let you guys know that for BoxyLuxe, the September box is going to be worth up to $520. I am so excited just with that amount. And I believe we're going to be getting some great items probably for BoxyLuxe. And this is already making that box look so good. So guys, another information that I want to share is the August dates for you guys to know. I really don't want you guys to miss out on the choice item. As you see, we have August 10th. You're gonna have early access to choose your September base box. That means if you're not upgraded to BoxyLuxe, then you will have your choice. If you have early access to get your base box on August 10th, which is a Monday, and that will be the same date. If you have upgraded to BoxyLuxe, then that's the day you will make your selections for the BoxyLuxe. That will be on August 10th. Then the other subscription box, which is the premium box, that will be open on August 13th. That will be on Thursday. So just mark your calendars. Also know Boxy pop-up. As you know, you could even get 80% off. There's so many great items. I'm just gonna show you a few. Right now, I try to go in back to Boxy pop-up, and it just says close. I am no longer get to see any sneak peeks, but I'm gonna show you what I was able to pick up before. And you're gonna have early access on Monday. For if you have been subscribed to Premium or Luxe, you'll be able to shop in the store on August 10th. So here are the dates, and that's the calendar. Go ahead and mark them so you don't miss out on that. Here's Boxy pop-up. We were able to see some of the prices. I'm excited for all those items that you have been seeing in the store. I'm even surprised how cheap and affordable this would be. Yeah, guys, many great items. I'm having my eyes on this because this is an item that I wanted to get, and this is all I was able to get. So guys, I want to conclude this video. I wanted to show you everything that's happening for September, but also those dates that are must know, because they're coming up pretty soon. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you're having a wonderful week or maybe weekend, and until the next video, bye.